Let's take a look here at Microsoft's 365 SharePoint. So 365 SharePoint is a web-based collaborative platform that integrates into the Microsoft Office, intended for document management and shared storage. And here is a screenshot of my SharePoint. And so there's the AZ104. So the thing is that it's basically OneDrive, but for companies with a bunch of layers on top of it. And it is extremely useful to use. It's super, super useful. So like if you work in a company, you should really be using SharePoint for sharing files. So just going down the feature list here. So SharePoint Sites, because there's some concepts here. Just besides documents, they have things like sites. So data within SharePoint is organized around sites. A site is a collaborative space for teams with the following components. So document library, pages, web parts, and more. SharePoint document library, which will expand there. And that's what the screenshot is on the right-hand side. So a document library is a file storage and synchronization, but designed for teams. It is very similar to OneDrive, but files are owned by the company and not an individual. You can apply robust permissions to access files within or outside your organization. A site always has a default document library called Documents. And so there's a lot more going on in SharePoint, but this is the most important feature of it. And actually, when you use OneDrive, when you install on your computer, there's like a synchronization device. It's the same thing. So SharePoint most likely is using the OneDrive technology underneath. I don't know 100%, but it's most likely the case. So there you go.